हेलो गाइस। आज हम समझने वाले हैं व्हाट इज वेव पार्टिकल डुअलिटी। वेव पार्टिकल डुअलिटी होती क्या है? तरंग और कण द्वैत प्रकृति क्या होती है, आज समझने वाले हैं। चलो समझते हैं। व्हाट इज वेव पार्टिकल डुअलिटी? We know that interference and diffraction of light are produced by superposition of beam of light. Interference or diffraction of light, सुपरपोजिशन बीम की लाइट के बीम की सुपरपोजिशन को प्रोड्यूस करता है। इस प्रकार these phenomena are result of interaction of light with light. From experiment observation on interference, diffraction and some other phenomena such as reflection, refraction, polarization and other interpretations, it is concluded that light is transverse wave motion. Therefore, these phenomena are completely explained by wave theory and electromagnetic radiation theory. However, there is another class of phenomena, black body radiation and photoelectric effect and Compton effect, which are produced by interaction of radiation with matter, and these cannot be explained by the wave theory or electromagnetic theory of radiation. We have seen that in order to explain these phenomena, radiant energy is considered as a stream of small packets of energy. फोटॉन है जो हमारा एनर्जी के बंडलों में होती है। फोटॉन को हम एनर्जी का बंडल कह सकते हैं। लाइट है एनर्जी के बंडल के रूप में चलती है, जिसे हम फोटॉन कहते हैं। These packets of energy are known as light quanta or photon. The amount of energy assigned to each photon is given by E power h nu. In interactions of radiant energy and with matter, any one of photon can transfer all its energy to any electron of the matter. The frequency V is determined from the measurement of the wavelength lambda of radiation using equation nu is equal to c upon lambda. The frequency of wavelength is the concept of relevant to a wave, and quantum having isolated energy as nu is the concept of particle theory. We conclude that radiation possesses dual character and is never exhibits both characteristics in any one experiment. Matter evident a particle property. Therefore, by analogy with radiation, matter should have also property under suitable condition. This was predicted by French theoretical physicist Prince Louis de Broglie in 1996 and was verified by C.J. Division and L at German in 1926 and also by Thomson. Big properties of matter can be thank you guys. All matter is here. You can also prepare with this matter. Thank you guys.